Are you trying to select your speakers or your headphones so your audio goes to the correct device? Well, today I'm going to show you how to change your sound output on your Mac. It's really quite simple to do, so no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. All right, so here we are on my Mac, and there's a couple different ways to select your sound output or your audio output here on your Mac. There's the quick method, and then there's one in the main settings, which actually gives you some extra options. So the first thing, we're gonna head up to the very top right-hand corner. This is the quick method, and you'll see these two little stacked toggle switches here. This is your control center. You can go ahead and left click on that, and it's gonna open up your control center. And at the bottom here, you'll see the sound option, and this is where you could adjust your volume right here. But off to the right, you're gonna see, it looks like a little circular icon with a triangle at the bottom. You can go ahead and select that. And this is gonna allow you to select your sound output. So currently mine's set to my Mac mini speakers, which aren't necessarily the greatest, but they do work. You can have that. I've got my external headphones plugged into the front of my Mac mini, so those are there. And I've also got my monitor, which has speakers in it as well. So I can select from any of those right here. And when I play audio, it should come out of that selected device. Now that would be the first method, the quick way to do it. Now over in our system settings, so we can open up our system settings here. So the little gear icon here at the bottom, that'll open up. And over on the left-hand side, you're gonna see an option here that says sound right here. Go ahead and select that or left click on it. And in here again, towards the bottom, you're gonna see it says output and input. Make sure output is selected. And this is where you can select from the different output devices. So currently again, it's set to Mac mini speakers. Now watch what happens here when I go to my headphones, the external headphones. I can adjust the volume, but right underneath that, I can also adjust the balance. So there are more options in here. So that would be my headphones. And then there's the option here for my monitor as well. So I'm gonna leave it on that one. And really it's that simple to select your sound output here on your Mac computer. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.